Gusto ko yung bayan ng hindi mo. Well, good afternoon, friends. I think you took your BSI paper. Well, I would like to thank Antonio for introducing me. I would like to say good afternoon again to the members of Class 77. Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko. To be honest, I'm not ready to say anything to the body this afternoon. But then, there's something I would like to say to the body. I hope my three presidents of the university right now will inspire the graduates of this university. Dapat po dito ako graduate ng high school, dito ako graduate ng 2-year technical course, and dito ako graduate ng BSIT. So, dito ako graduate ng lahat halos ng bahagdan ng pag-aaral except elementary. Then, this is the first time that a graduate of this university became a president. And this is the first time that a Bulakenyo, a 100% Bulakenyo, became a president of this university. Kaya we are making history actually right now. Gumagawa tayo ng kasaysayan. Kaya nasa akin na total, nag-set up ng friend. Dahil nung nakakaraang panahon, isinuntago sa sarili ko na hindi ako papayag na pagdating ng panahon pwede ako ay masisingin pa tayo ng lumalan ng Mapampangan, ng Bicolano, ng Bisaya. So I told to myself that I have to do something to prove to the whole world, to the Philippines, in particular, na ang BSU ay para sa Bulakenyo, hindi para sa Ilocano, hindi para sa Pampanga. So yung po yung pinag-usapan trend. Dahil for many years, our university is headed by somebody outside Bulacan. Para kung assumption namin ko, wala naman na Bulacan na pwede. Yun ang dinuntan namin sa sarili namin. So, kasama namin ang mga Arab dyan, nakikita ko sa Flora. Yung kapatid ni Flora, at si Dani, kasama namin ng mga Arab. Sila Dr. De Rosario, yung kasama kanina, sila Eva, kasi puro kami kayo Bulacan. So, yun yung isang magandang balita na gusto kong maibalita sa Class 77 na simula sa mga ito at sa mga darating ng panahon, gusto namin ang mamumuno sa pangangkasak ng Bulacan ay taga-Bulacan, hindi magdagaling sa probinsya sa labas ng Bulacan. So we are training our people in Bulacan, particularly those that are teaching in Bulacan State University, that is possible after my term. The person who will replace me is another Bulakenyo. Pakita natin magaling tayo kay Bulacan. Pakita natin ang mga taga-Bulakenyo, kaya mamuno at kaya magpagpapit sa ibang tao na galing sa ibang lugar. So that is one reason that I would like to everybody this morning, this afternoon. Isang magandang balita yung idea nyo na gumagawa tayo ng kasaysayan. Dahil sa kasaysayan na nakatala ay yung presence nyo na lumabot, because basically, we are developing a program for the alumni association. We are actually assigning somebody who is also a product of this university to be the coordinator of our alumni affairs. Siguro napakilala sa inyo si Mrs. Melina Crisostomo. Siya dito graduate ng college at saka si Mrs. Hindi na makamagal. Sila yung dalawang magpapatakbo ng alumni affairs ng university. And during that term, I gave instruction to these two young beautiful ladies, joke lang yun, na as possible, i-strengthen natin ang alumni affairs. Hahanapin natin ang mga natapos dito na meron na kaya tumulong sa universidad at kung kailangan tumulong ang universidad sa kanilang universidad. Kaya ang dapat dito, binukuha natin yung mga information, mga data, yung mga whereabouts, so that in some other days, we might invite you to attend our Grand Reunion and to witness some of the important programs of the university. By the way, by next week, meron po tayong University Celebration. Kaya kung napansin nyo ang ating